I get to record this for the second time because my phone decided to stop recording the first one. Just wanted to do a quick video comparing the Perrin intercooler to the stock one. I had to pull my Perrin unit off from my mistake. I've been installing this. They did not provide instructions, clearly, because it's so new. You know, that's kind of what we're helping go through the installs. I'm sure some of the stuff me and WRB Sub1 on Reddit will be providing information over to Jeff at Perrin. Just want to also point out the mistake I made. This O-ring, it's in the stock unit up in here. You need to take this out and put it in the Perrin unit. So for the quick comparisons, the obvious, this is a 4-inch core. This stock unit, if you measure it, it's just, I can't get a good thing, I'm one-handed here. It's just under 3.5, I believe, but if you measure at each lip, that's a 1/2 inch on each side. So it's a small little core. Then, sorry, I'm working one-handed with the camera here. If you measure the fins, I didn't pull this out long enough. Okay, if you measure the fins, get just above 20. Maybe, what is it, 20 and an 1/8, I guess. Then if you come over to the Perrin unit, you get just under 22 inches of fins. The other thing I like about the Perrin unit is it comes with a pipe and a silicone hose that eliminates this ugly stock plastic portion that actually bolts into the intercooler. The other intercoolers that I've seen available actually have you take this off and put it on their unit. I don't like that. I think that piece is very ugly, especially when you're, you know, kind of doing a build under the hood and you want things to match or at least look nicer than stock plastics. People ask why you'd want to go with a top mount over a front mount. This one's clearly a beefy top mount. But my personal answer is I'm lazy. I don't want to take the bumper off. I don't want to run all the piping. I just want to pop this thing in. Install, after doing it now and finding my little quirks that I messed up, it's actually really fairly simple. You only need to really grind away. There's some part of the plastic on the intake manifold where the mount here mounts to the manifold. You just kind of carve that out so this corner can fit. You move one of the lines, the line on the back here, you kind of reverse it, you go under, bolt in from the bottom instead of the top. I added a little piece of foam to the line over here. This unit will not clear the STI strut tower brace. It will clear the Perrin brace if you add some washers to the Perrin strut tower. I learned that afterwards, and you can see it made contact when starting my car, just a little bit. So I pulled off the strut tower and I'm adding the washers to that. I do not have current information on price or release date for this. I'm going to be talking to Jeff here pretty soon. I will get that and toss that into the description below. And yeah, I just want to make this quick video. I'll put this up before the re-edited slap job install video goes up. Yeah, and then hopefully afterwards I'll give an update on how it's running on the car in a couple weeks. All right, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Thanks for watching.